What?
His bike won't start.
There's fire.
What up, you guys? It is Keef, Cheef, and we are back. So I'm testing out. I'm moving my mic around. I'm aware the wind noise has been really bad in my last few videos, so I put like a wind muff on it and moved it around inside the padding of my helmet. Hopefully it's better. If not, tell Will to hit me. I'm sure he'll do it for free.
He'll probably hit you anyway.
He'll probably hit me anyway. Yeah, that's a good point. First day I got on this bike, like the day I bought it, I was like, oh sweet, it has a temperature gauge. It's 97 degrees out. No, it's 102 degrees out. 106, 186 degrees. Okay, it's not a temperature gauge for outside. It's for my engine. At the same time, why would you need one? You're on a motorcycle. It's fucking cold.
I forgot to move my bear, goddammit. I also don't know what I did with that zip tie.
God, you're a fucking mess today, bro.
I give up, man.
Are you turning here?
Yeah.
God, Will, get it together, man. Don't go yet, Will. That's a car. It's a car. It'll hit you.
It's been a long day, man. Oh, man, it's nice to ride with you again.
Yeah, feeling is not mutual. We are currently on our way to Krispy Kreme, not for the donuts, but to meet up with some friends. And this is my first video after the move-in. So we are
finally moved in together, bro.
We are. We're now on the other side of town. So it's a little bit of a trip, but at the same time, it just means we get to ride more. So I have no issue with that. All right, bye, Will. For those of you who have not seen yet, I got a little logo, like a little mini-me, except in cartoon form. Now that I have a channel, I can finally get Will back for all those times he put like unwanted video clips of me doing stupid things. So, insert dumb clip of Will here. Bro, it feels so nice outside. Last time I rode, it was riding this to the apartments, and it was, what, like negative 360 degrees? So, dude.
What's up?
Alright, guys, we just met up at Krispy Kreme. We're about to take off with the crew. We're going to head out to Dillon Brothers. Are we taking 120th to Maypel?
No, we're taking 100 and Maple to 20th.
I will hit you with my bike. I don't even care if I go down.
And I will like it.
Alright, right now we're out here with Nick. That's his name, right? Different Nick, not the one with the CBR. He's this guy right here. Then we got Olive right here. Coming up. And then up here, we've got, I think his name's Colin, and I think this dude's name is Will.
No, his name is not Will.
His name is not Will. Will Yam, that's what it is, duh. I woke Will up, what was it, yesterday? I was like standing outside his door and I didn't want to go in his room. So I was just knocking on his door and he was asleep, so I was like, Will is a yam. And I said it like 5 times at one time. He just goes, I'm a yam, and he was woken up. Squad.
Solid's still on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, did she take her helmet off?
No, she's just sitting over there on the back of her bike. Like a little pigeon.
Like a little bit. Where the fuck are you?
I'm off-roading, dude.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
I don't believe you.
And now I'm back on the road. On the road again! Oh, dude, there's so many bikes in there. Yo. Big lift.
Where did you go?
On an adventure.
Stop fucking saying that.
It's so weird because the scene doesn't cut out, so you literally have no idea where I'm at.
Yeah, I know, that's the shitty part.
It's like playing hide and go seek on motorcycles.
Like, am I getting colder or warmer?
I don't see your headlight anywhere. I saw it earlier. I thought you found me, but then you turned around, I think.
What? Oh, I've got an idea.
No, you don't. I just saw you.
No, you didn't. Shut up.
My bike's not even off. I'm like riding around in the open.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. My bike is definitely on.
That means it's definitely off.
I just saw you again. How are you not seeing me?
Shut up. I've been in the same spot for like a minute.
I just saw you again. Will, go back over there, loop around a little bit again. Stop.
Oh, thank you way over there.
Hello. Off the road again.
Oh, you're not even what?
You think I need lots?
Today has been such a weird day. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to edit this and make it into a video.
Same, dude. It's been such a long, weird day of recording.
Shut up. It's just been like jumping around. I'm literally one of the worst motovloggers there is.
I would agree with that.
Okay. Just keep my bike then.
If you say so. There's a little teddy bear. What is on his feet? GR?
It had some, it honestly had some like ugly thing right there, so I would rather just have like fucking cut up.
Grrr.
That's the best thing ever! Did you want to ride it or what?
Yeah, I'll probably take it on like a 3-second spin.
3 seconds.
Okay, I'm done.
It's legit 3 seconds.
We should go back up there, riding each other's bikes. Look at this house. It's a nice house.
I don't know if that's a house.
That's a nice boulder.
It's a nice boulder. God, I love Casper, dude.
Should we go see if these guys are fucking? Hello?
Hello?
I know you're doing something illegal in there, that's why you're backing out already. Oh, does this go back up into the lot over here?
No.
Dude, they just left. Hey, did you say no? Because I bet it does and you're lying. Which is why I went for it anyway. You learn! Riding Casper makes me want to get a Grom so bad.
Bro, it is so much fun. Just being able to like do what you're doing right
This
now.
is so
a good thing.
like I'm just cruising around, like just literally just enjoying like the simple things. Like I don't need to fucking go fast. I'm just like having so much fun, like right here.
That's like why when we pull over, I'm always like, I'm just gonna go on a little adventure.
Dude, this is the best. This thing is so much fun. Like it's just so like cute isn't necessarily the word, but it is one of the words because I feel cute as fuck right now.
Exactly.
And it is so much fun. Like no wonder you pick up chicks like nothing. You're just like, hey girl, what up? Woo!
God, he looks like a mini little beast.
I know, dude. He's a champ.
It's like looking at like a little kid, like with a snapback and like a fucking,
Some tattoos,
like, you know,
a full sleeve.
You're badass, man.
Oh my god. There's a girl on my bike. This is my worst fear. What up, bro? Chris, this is Nick and Colin. Colin, Nick, Chris. Oh, bro, I didn't notice that you had blinkers on the back of your helmet. That's sick, dude.
Oh,
Really?
Well, did you just Snapchat me peeing?
No.
Okay. Okay. It's like Grommy Bear posted some new Snapchats.
posted a video.
Oh, look.
That's what it was.
That's a video that you posted there. Hey.
Yeah, see, bike life.
Oh, bike life. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that must be all the Snapchat story. Hey! Hey! Was that close? Dang, why is it so bright? Is that new? Oh, it must be his actual headlights.
He goes, that's a little bright. Is that new? And you're just like a little blind.
My bad. I like this guy.
It's funny.
Alright guys, we are back. We got split up from our crew. I'm not really sure where they went. We were just with them, and then we're like, alright, let's get ready to go. And they were starting their bikes up and kind of riding around in circles, and I figured, you know, like, okay, cool. Me and Will stopped to change out our GoPro batteries, and next thing I know, like, everyone's gone.
We gotta stop doing that.
His bike won't start.
What?
His bike won't start.
There's fire, but there's...
Can you drop the clutch?
I tried.
Oh, damn.
That's a...
Liar! I like your car. Is it new? It looks very new. You must not have a horn. And I think I'm just going to end the video here. So, if you liked the video, smash that like button. Just like that. That was beautiful. If you want to see more, you know, subscribe if you want to. I'm not going to make you. I might make...
I'll make you.
Okay, will make you. And as always, I will see you boys in the next one. Peace!